Number 1. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, comes with an automatic transmission and a striking red exterior, making it a dependable and classic full-size pickup. It is completely rust-free, with absolutely no rust anywhere on the body, and it has never undergone any bodywork, preserving its original condition. Powered by a reliable 5.3L V8 engine paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission and a two-wheel drive drivetrain, this truck offers plenty of power while maintaining comfortable cruising thanks to its 2.55 rear gears. It is the kind of truck that can be driven anywhere with confidence. The previous owner has made several upgrades, including a new vinyl floor with sound deadening, a new windshield, a new battery, fresh window tint, and a new set of wheels. The truck looks great, runs smoothly, stops confidently, and starts every time, making it a dependable choice for daily driving or weekend cruising. Number 2. 1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. This truck has 77,000 original miles and is powered by a strong 454 big block Chevrolet V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission featuring overdrive. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been well maintained and is exceptionally clean inside and out. The truck has received several upgrades, including fresh paint, new chrome front bumpers, a new grille, new headlights, and new LED taillights, giving it a refreshed appearance. The air conditioning and heating systems are both in excellent working condition, providing comfort in any season. Inside, it features a modern double-DIN touchscreen stereo with Bluetooth connectivity for added convenience. Number 3. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. The truck is a well-maintained pickup with only 106,000 miles. It features a distinctive black and tan two-tone exterior that gives it a timeless, classic appearance. The truck is equipped with a matching black ARA camper shell, providing secure and weather-resistant cargo storage, while the Pendoliner bedliner helps protect the truck bed from wear and damage. It also rides on attractive silver alloy wheels and includes integrated running boards for easier entry and exit. With its low mileage, practical accessories, and clean, classic styling, this Sierra 1500 is a dependable and versatile pickup that's ready for both daily driving and weekend adventures. Number 4. 1993 Ford Ranger, price $4,900, well-maintained compact pickup that combines reliability, practicality, and classic styling. It is equipped with a manual transmission and is powered by a smooth and dependable 3.0L V60 HV12V fuel-injected gasoline engine, delivering a great balance of performance and efficiency with an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Finished in a clean Oxford white exterior with a blue interior, this Ranger has a timeless appearance that stands out while maintaining its original charm. The comfortable cabin features upgraded cloth seating, power steering, air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks, providing a convenient and enjoyable driving experience. The truck has been well cared for, is in excellent overall condition, and comes with a clean Carfax report, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic pickup. Number 5. 2002 Ford Ranger, price $7,950. This truck has 168,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, and is powered by a dependable gasoline 4.0L V6 engine. The truck is a four-door model and is in excellent overall condition. According to the owner, it has been well cared for and kept indoors, which has helped preserve its rust-free body and frame. The Ranger features ice-cold air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes, making it comfortable and easy to drive. It also has new carpet, seat covers, and a new headliner, giving the interior a fresh, clean appearance. The exhaust system and brakes are both in great condition, and the truck is said to be reliable enough to drive anywhere with confidence. It comes with a clear, open title and is ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1988 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000. It has 152,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a white exterior with a red interior, and is powered by a gasoline-fed 2.8L V6 engine with a capable 4WD system. It has been well maintained and comes with an extensive collection of extra parts included in the sale, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a reliable classic compact pickup. The truck includes numerous replacement components for the suspension and steering system, including inner and outer tie rods, upper and lower ball joints, upper control arms, and front and rear shocks. The drivetrain is supported with spare CV axles, while the engine has received several maintenance upgrades, including a new NOx sensor and harness, coolant temperature sensor and harness, map sensor, valve cover gaskets, a new air filter, a throttle cable, and a fresh oil change.
Number 7.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800. This truck has 211,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 engine, the truck runs and drives well. It has been extensively modified with a custom frame, an air suspension system featuring airbags and 2 compressors, and a raised bed floor for a lowered stance. The bed will require some fiberglass repair due to contact with the floor when the suspension is fully lowered, and the truck could also benefit from some cosmetic work. Overall, it is a solid running project truck with numerous custom upgrades and plenty of potential for someone looking to complete or personalize a unique build.
Number 8.
1995 Ford F-150, price $4,850. Dependable full-size pickup that has been driven 225,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in a classic green exterior with a clean gray interior, this gasoline-powered truck remains a reliable choice for anyone looking for a practical daily driver or a capable work truck. According to the seller, the truck runs and drives well, delivering dependable performance on the road. It has been updated with fairly new tires that provide solid traction, along with a new battery and a new starter solenoid to help ensure reliable starting. The air conditioning blows cold, making the cabin comfortable even during warm weather. Despite its mileage, this F-150 continues to perform as expected and has been maintained with several important components already replaced. The interior is clean and functional, while the exterior retains its classic appearance.
Number 9.
1992 Ford F-250, price $6,500. This truck has 163,000 miles and is powered by the legendary 7.3L diesel engine paired with a manual transmission. Finished in green with a tan interior, this truck starts easily, runs well, and has been maintained with several recent upgrades, including a new brake booster, new vacuum pump, new charging system, and new shackle hangers. The seller states that the truck's air conditioning is currently not working, and the 4x4 system works intermittently but has not yet been diagnosed. Despite these minor issues, the truck remains a dependable diesel pickup with strong running performance, making it a solid candidate for work, restoration, or everyday use.
Number 10.
1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,500. This truck has 334,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior, a red interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. This southern truck is very solid overall, with rust limited to the passenger side rocker panel and the driver's front fender. The interior is in great condition for its age, with the only notable wear being on the seat and dash pad. It runs perfectly and drives smoothly, with a shift kit that appears to have been installed for improved transmission performance. Recent maintenance includes a new starter and alternator, adding to its reliability. The power windows are fully functional, and all windows operate properly, making this classic Sierra a dependable and well-maintained pickup.